How to stop Microsoft Edge from running automatically. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy method to fix if your Microsoft Edge is running automatically on your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your settings, and then you're going to head over to the settings right here. First, head over to Account section on the left side of your navigation bar, and then click on Sign In Options. Now once you do that, scroll down a bit, and here you will find this option right here. Use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Make sure that this is toggled off. So this is the first method. The second method is to actually open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, and here you are going to search for shell and then click on the colon and then start up. Hit enter. So this folder will pop up on your screen, and if you have Microsoft Edge here, the shortcut, you are just going to go ahead and delete the shortcut. I don't have it, so if you have it, you are going to delete the shortcut. Now, once you have done that, the third method is to open up your task manager. So right click on your Windows icon, and then from here, open up your task manager. Now, once your task manager is open, you just want to head over to the Startup Apps tab, and here you can just search for Microsoft Edge. And if it is enabled like this, you're just going to right click on it and then click on Disable. Now once that is done, just give your phone, your laptop a quick restart, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.